And there it is. Please keep this box and the inner packaging for future storage purpose and after-sale service. Oh. 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 And there it is. You see, we do have some punch. Oh. 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 All right. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. In the case, you will have a manual, which is very handy. First, what you need to do is check all those screws, every one of them. It's slow. Everyone says it's powerful, extreme, amazing, beautiful. I mean, it is beautiful. Powerful? No. Maybe they didn't never ride on a powerful scooter. Whoa, oh my God! God almighty, this scooter is fast in the entirely new level! Acceleration. Let's do it, and we do have 30 already. 40, 46, 52. It's a brand new tarmac. 56, 61, 63, 63 that top, 63. Whoa, 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 whoa. Max speed! Sometimes you want to hold your scooter with your legs, just like that. And those edges are sharp. Really sharp. Look at my legs. Come on. Come on. Let's start with the things I do like. And I like those tires. They are flat. You don't need a steering damper because there's no wobbles, no shimmy, nothing. Deck. Deck is wide. Not too long, but wide. And that is really great. There is no loose, fragile parts in the whole thing. So the build quality is amazing. Cable management. I had a little bit of residue on there from the packaging, but that's okay. That's okay. Look at those tight cables. I like that a lot. And of course the handlebar, which is wide enough. And you don't have to replace it with something different, like usually you have to with a different scooter. It's a touch screen. And you can do all kinds of stuff. And the throttle. Okay, let me just turn it off, because for safety reasons. Throttle is also very, very cool, because you can do it like this, or with a thumb. There's also a button to control the screen if you want it.
For some reason, backlight is always on.
If you press a brake, it will blink. If you press the indicator, it will blink. Well, that's visible. Also on the back. Let me switch off that indicator and turn on the light. There it is. And, well, pretty impressive light. Oh yeah, that's a ton of power. And also, if we walk with it, it will engage the walking mode. The walking mode should blink. But there are a couple of things which are weird and maybe not great. First of all, look at that. Do you see it? Can I zoom in? Do you see the bearing right there? Exposed bearing. You see, a little bit of sand, dust, mud, any dirt will quickly destroy that bearing. And that is not great. There should be a seal, some kind of seal for that bearing, for that exposed bearing. Especially in here. Well, it is what it is. Let's stand. Look how tilt is that scooter. It's a little bit too short. Talking about short, look at the spring on the back. It's small. And on the front is way bigger. And the whole way is mostly on the back. I'm not sure, is this spring too soft? I'm too heavy. When you're charging your scooter, you won't be able to turn on the screen. You won't be able to turn on anything. And when it's on, it will switch off by itself, which is weird. Second charge, 100 kilometers. Also, those bars are not accurate at all. If we had a voltage meter, now that would be a different story. But everything what I said won't matter because $730 and the time when I'm recording this video. There's nothing in the market which can even go close to such a quality and so much power. That's why it's such a good deal. And I love it. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye. Woohoo!